Welcome to pattern making class. I'm Annette Julie, and today we are going to copy off a basic bodice set, and then we're going to make a built-up neckline. So when you're copying off a basic bodice set, you want to have enough paper all the way around here, and give yourself your grain lines front and back, and you want to copy it quite often with the side seams facing each other. That's how the majority of demos are set up, like if we were going to do a torso or maybe a casual shirt block. We always have the side seams facing each other. So I'm going to make my goal post, which is a front grain line, and then a waistline that I end up setting the front and back bodice on at the center front and center back. And then we have another grain line over to the other side. Let's make sure we have enough room. Good. Over there, great. Here's our center back grain line. In essence now, we've set up a set of goal posts to go ahead and position our blocks on. So your center front block, right there, center front at the waistline, position, and weight this down. Notice the dart hangs over the waistline. That's totally fine. Now let's go ahead and trace this off. Shoulder, armhole, armhole notch, side seam, waist, waist dart to the center front, and the dart tip. We can move aside the front bodice block. Make sure you draw on those dart legs though. Now let's trace off the back. Here's our front. Position the back bodice right at the center back waist. Then let's go ahead and weight that down. Tracing off the back neckline, the shoulder, the notches for the shoulder dart, the armhole, the back armhole notches, back side seam, back waist with notches for the back waist dart, and back where we started. Let's make sure we chase off our two dart tips and go ahead and connect our shoulder dart and our back waist dart. I can't see the hole right now, so rather than just guess, I can easily place this back on. I couldn't see my mark very clearly. Now I can see it. There's that back waist dart. Now we have our copy of our basic bodice set. And that's always how you're going to copy the front and back off. Go ahead and add your grain line with your grain line information. Back bodice, front bodice, and that's a great copy. After you have this copy, we can move on to the built-up neckline. See you in the next video. This is Annette Julie.